And the second one, God helps those who help themselves. This is not biblical. This comes from Benjamin Franklin. The Bible shows that God helps the weak, and those who call on him, not just people who do it themselves. And God Bible verses like Psalms 121, 1 to 2. I will lift my eyes to the hills from where my help comes, and so on. Psalm 46, verse 1. God is our refuge and strength and very present in help of trouble. And then Romans 5, verse 6. When we are still without strength, in due time Christ died for the ungodly. So, obviously God's not just there for those who help themselves. In fact, he's there also for those who are weak and those who call on him, so it's not just if I'm doing something God's going to help me, but really God will be there, because it's not a measurement. Obviously our lives are not a measurement of what we do. We can never do enough for God to give us things. So it's not like, oh, I'm blessed because of what I do. No, it's the grace. Everything we have is by the grace of God, because we cannot begin to earn or work ourselves in a way where we are deserving of certain things. Anyway, that is from Benjamin Franklin. And also it's important that ultimately it's not our good works that put us in certain places, it's God's grace, right? Because we need to always rely on him. So if it was based on what we do, then we wouldn't need God, but we always need him. Then cleanliness